Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 best bar and pipe clamp reviews. Number 5. Yake 4-pack 3/4 inches wood gluing pipe clamp set. Tough cast iron construction to keep your workpiece steady. Perfect for working on wooden boxes and cabinets. Pipe for holding wood in place. Includes 4 clamps. Lead screw is ideal for heavy-duty projects. Brand, Yake. Weight, 8.6 pounds. Model, K008 B00244. Color, red. Dimension, 8 2/7 x 4.9 inches. Metal, cast iron. Clamping face, 3. Number 4. Pipe clamp rack or bar clamp rack. Clamp rack has 9 slots to accept bar clamps, pipe clamps, or aluminum bar clamps. Sturdy galvanized steel construction for lifetime service. Pre-drilled holes for mounting to wall studs. Brand, Rotra. Weight, 3.45 pounds. Model, 2950118REV1. Color, blue. Dimension, 26 x 2.5 x 4.5 inches. Number 3. Pony 52, 1/2 inches pipe clamp fixture for 1/2 inches black pipe. Baked enamel finishing for maximum durability. The most popular clamp available on the market. Can be used in any 1/2 inch pipe. Crank type handle to tighten easily. Plated hardened steel made clutch can grip the bar automatically. Brand, Pony Tools. Weight, 1.58 pounds. Made, USA. Color, black and orange. Dimension, 5.2 x 1.8 x 2.6 inches. Clamp jaws, 1.5 inches. Number 2. Vessi GSCC 2.518, 2.5 inches x 18 inches economy clutch style bar clamp. Medium duty clamp that is ideal for DIY and woodworking projects. Powder coated cast iron made jaws is extremely durable. Includes 2-piece clutch plate system. Includes protective pads for jaws. Brand, Bessie. Weight, 1.99 pounds. Model, GSCC 2.518. Dimension, 19 x 2.4 x 2.1 inches. Clamping capacity, 18 inches. Throat depth, 2.5 inches. Number 1. Pony 50 clamp fixture for 3/4 inch black pipe. All parts are made in USA. Ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and frame assembly. Ductile iron for extended life. Multiple disc clutch can hold workpiece securely at any point. Brand, adjustable clamp co. Weight, 2 pounds. Model, 50. Color, multi. Size, 3/4 inches. Made in China.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!